Have a good day.
Drive safe, honey. We'll miss you.
I will. Love you all.
Bye, Daddy.
Time to wake up, sweetie.
5 more minutes.
Come on, the sun is shining. Time to wake up, sweetie. Come on, sleepyhead.
What time is it?
It's morning. Let's go. Oh no, look at the time. We have to hurry now.
Okay, Mom.
Kids, to the kitchen now.
Okay, Mom. Coming.
Something smells wrong. I'll stir it quickly.
Okay, Mom. Eating fast.
Almost done, kids. Just one more thing. Okay, lunches are packed. Let's go. Here's your lunch, sweetie.
Thanks, Mommy.
And for you, champ,
Thanks.
let's fix these socks.
Thanks, Mom.
Where are my keys?
Mom, are they in your pocket?
Here they are.
Yay, let's go.
All right, let's go. Come on.
Mom, we're home. Hi, Mom.
Oh, my sweethearts, I'm so happy to see you.
Mommy, we're ready.
Yeah, let's go. Okay, my loves.
Mom, your hands look tired.
I'm okay. Hugs help.
We can help. Yeah, let us help.
All right, let's do it together.
I'm washing them really well, Mom.
That's perfect, sweetie, just like that.
I can do that too.
You can help next. This smells wonderful already.
Can I stir it, Mommy? I got the carrot.
Perfect teamwork, you two.
This is so yummy, Mom.
I'm glad, sweetie. It's our special recipe.
Can I have more, please? Daddy, you're home. We helped Mom.
You did? I'm so
I
proud.
set the table. I washed the veggies.
I love you both so much.
We are so proud of you.
Our beautiful family.
Love you.